Yeah, today I am doing my first sailing vlog. So today, guys, I will show you how I rig my boat, and also I will show you the place around me. This is very so guys, as you can see, it's a beautiful place around me here, and it's just like any other beautiful sailing club. And guys, you can see the atmosphere around me is beautiful. The sky is covered with clouds, and there's one old fighter plane here, and the wind is very fast today, as you can see the flag. And there's one speedboat, sailing boats. And now guys, let's go into the sailing club and rig my boat. So guys, let's see. Let's enter into the sailing club, as you can see. Now let's enter into the sailing club. I have been given a new boat by Pakistan Navy because currently I am Pakistan's #1 sailor in this class under 15 category, and for the last 3 years I have been national champion and winning gold medals again and again. So they gave me a new boat to sail.
I want to order myself. You don't need nobody else. I want to order myself, I swear. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm selfish. I want to order myself, I swear. You don't need nobody else, I swear. I want to order myself because I'm selfish. I want to order myself, I swear. You don't need nobody else, I swear. I want to order myself, I swear. I'm selfish. I want to order myself, I swear. You don't need nobody else, I swear. I want to order myself because I'm selfish. I want to order myself, I swear. You don't need nobody else. I want to order myself. Now that I got you here, girl, I ain't gon' play with you, because it's a lot of things that I wanna say to you. Girl, you know you the shit. Balenciaga's on your kicks. Niggas all on your dick, but we ain't gon' trip, cause I'm not ready for no commitments. But I swear I hate seeing you with them. And I know you ain't trying to control me, and I know you tired of being lonely. I can't help how I feel, I'm just keeping it real. They can't hear you, girl, because I'm selfish. I want to order myself, I swear. You don't need nobody else, I swear. I want to order myself because I'm selfish. I want to order myself, I swear. You don't need nobody else, I swear. I want to order myself, I swear. I'm selfish. I want to order myself, I swear. You don't need nobody.
So guys, I hope you like my video. So give this video a big thumbs up and also comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Allah Hafiz.